Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Ghost Recon Wildlands game stuck on loading screen, stuck on splash screen, stuck on in-flight loading screen on PC. So without wasting time, let's follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. So the first fix is to use only the performance cores, P cores, and uncheck E core for Ghost Recon Wildlands game. So first of all, launch the game, then open the task manager. Press the Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard to open the task manager. Go to Details tab, then look for GRWEXE and then right click it and select Set Affinity. Now identify and uncheck E cores. Now a window with a list of CPU cores will appear. P cores and their hyper-threaded threads are always listed first. Example CPU 0 through to CPU 15 depending on your chip, while E cores sit at the bottom of the list. You have to just uncheck all the boxes next to the E core numbers. Do not uncheck CPU cores, only uncheck all the boxes next to E core numbers. I will show you how to do it. So first of all, launch the game and then right click on the taskbar and then click on Task Manager to open the Task Manager. Now go to the Details tab and here look for grw.exe. Here you can see it. Now right click on it and then select Set Affinity, click on it and here you will see CPU. You can see CPU 0 to CPU 15 and under the CPU you will find the E core. In my PC E core is not showing. I will tell you why it is not showing later. But you have to uncheck all the E core number and then click on OK to save the changes and then you can play the game and check. So simply uncheck all the boxes next to the E core numbers. Now here take a important notes. Identify your P core first. You can find which numbers belong to P cores by checking the performance tab, right clicking the CPU graph, changing it to logical processor and hovering over the blocks to see the core numbering layout. So go to performance tab, go to CPU, right click on it and change graph to logical processor and then you can hover the mouse to the block to see the core numbering layout. Now if you don't see E core, just like me, I was not able to see the E core. It means you have an older or non-hybrid CPU and 8-core/16 thread processor like the older core only has the standard performance cores with hyper-threading. You do not have E cores to disable. It means your E cores are already disabled. They may be turned off in your motherboard BIOS. So if you have the E core, then simply uncheck all the boxes next to the E core numbers and then you can try to launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to try the launch shortcut trick. You can also try this trick if the first fix doesn't work for you. So first of all, you have to close the game completely. So close the game. You can go to Task Manager, right click on GRW and then click on End Task to close the game. And after closing the game completely, open the Task Manager and go to the Details tab. So open the Task Manager, right click on Taskbar and then click on Task Manager. Go to the Details tab. Now in the Details tab, look for ubisoftconnect.exe or steam.exe depending on where you bought the game. Then right click on the launcher, select Set Affinity and uncheck only CPU 0 and CPU 1. Only uncheck CPU 0 and CPU 1 and then you can go ahead launch the Ghost Recon Wildlands game through that launcher. The game will automatically copy the restricted affinity settings and bypass the E core high thread initialization bug and your problem will get fixed. So in Details tab, look for Steam if you are running the game from Steam. Here you can see steam.exe, right click on it and then click on Set Affinity and then only uncheck CPU 0 and CPU 1 and then click on OK to save the changes and then you can go ahead launch the game from the Steam if you are running the game from Steam and your problem will get solved. And if you are running the game from Ubisoft, then here type UBI and here you can see Ubisoft Connect, right click on it and then select Set Affinity and then uncheck only CPU 0 and CPU 1 and then hit on OK and then you can go ahead relaunch the game and check. So you can try this trick and see if this helps or not. Now fix 3 is to fix the easy anti-cheat launch bug. So go to the Ghost Recon Wildlands game installation folder. So go to game installation folder. So open Ubisoft Connect, select Ghost Recon Wildlands game, click on this settings icon, click on properties, go to the installation tab, click on open folder. This will open the game installation folder. Now open the easy anti-cheat folder and here you will find easy anti-cheat _setup exe file. right click on it and then select run as administrator. Click yes to confirm and then click on repair service. And once the repair service done completely, now you can see it is installed successfully. Click on finish and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. In fix 2 and fix 3, you might have to repeat the process again and again when you launch the game again. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you can perform a fix 4, that is disable multi-threading in BIOS settings. Now you can only perform this fix if you have advanced knowledge of the PC, or else you can contact your PC manufacturer, or you can also take help from your local technician. Now to disable multi-threading, that is a Intel hyper-threading or AMD SMT, restart your PC and repeatedly tap the delete or F2 key during boot to enter the BIOS. And once you are in the BIOS, switch to advanced mode, locate the CPU configuration or performance tab, change the hyper-threading or SMT settings to disabled, then save and exit, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. These are the steps by motherboard brand. For ASUS, you can perform these steps. For MSI, you can perform these steps. For Gigabyte, you can perform these steps. And for ASRock, you can perform these steps. So if you don't have advanced knowledge of your PC, then you can simply take help from your local technician, or you can also take help from your PC tech support. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix Ghost Recon Wildlands game, stuck on loading screen, stuck on a splash screen, or stuck on infinite loading screen problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.